Today we're going to make a leather hammer holder. Got some 9-ounce leather here. Just going to cut her straight. Each piece has to be 10 by 10. And we'll cut that out. Make the 1-inch square. There you go, that's square. So we cut this 8 inches across now and measured 1 inch on this side and this side, and then we'll put our glue on both sides and glue it. Let's get started. Okay, so you have to glue them together. You all know how to glue stuff. Overlapped it 1 inch, glued it in there with some contact cement. While that's gluing, I got these snaps ready. Put them here like that. We'll get that ready while it's gluing. Keep at her. Have this like that. It's cut 4 inches and then I just split it in two. Take my little sewing machine and make just one bead on each one. We give it a couple of stitches, just hold together before we rivet it. I gave it 1 stitch through. Now I'm just going to turn it around and stitch it backwards to the same holes, and that'll hold it until we get the rivets in. There. There, we'll just put a couple of rivets there later. And it's going to hold it fine. Okay, so I glued the strap along the bottom. I contact cemented it and then just some glue in there. We have the holes there for the other rivets. There. Focus now and we'll drill those out and attach. I sewed that. Holes punched out. We'll fasten that in thereafter. See, there's a rivet top there to keep it together. Contact cement. It's around here, all contact cement. Gonna put a thread around there, and there it is. There you go. That's it, my leather hammer holder. I decided to run some stitches down here and back, so we'll have a look at that. Okay, started and I went all the way around and back, and now I'm just finishing up here. Went all the way around and then back, and I'm just finishing up here. Around, and now I'm just going to overlap a few and call it good. It's going to work great. Alright, thanks for watching.